Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2016 Civic. Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.